Hello and welcome to Mike's Red Hat Storage videos. My name is Mike Flannery and I'm a storage solution architect at Red Hat. In this video, I'm going to show how to expand a Ceph storage cluster by adding an OSD node. You can see my existing cluster on the left-hand side of the screen. This is made up of 7 hosts right now. We've got 3 monitors and 4 OSDs. The first thing we have to do to add a node to our cluster is we need to get it set up. So I've created another virtual machine, called it OSD5. You can see that here's all my virtual machines over here. OSD5, I have done the subscription manager register and attach, but I haven't done any of the rest. So we're going to start here with the disabling of the repos. This way we don't include any repositories that we don't need. After the repositories are disabled, we're going to enable just the repositories that we do need. And now that the repositories we do need are enabled, we're going to do a quick yum update and then a reboot. Okay, we're back from the reboot and ready to start on with the rest of our OSD install. So we want to ensure that our firewall is enabled and running. And then we want to open up some firewall ports and then reload the firewall. Perfect. Then we want to install NTP. Now that NTP is installed, we need to bring over our host file from Ceph admin, which I've updated to include OSD 5. Enable and start NTPD. Make sure NTP is running and looks correct, and it sure does. There's OSD5 in our pool. And then the last thing we need to do is grab our info from the Ceph admin server. All right, so that's going. Let's watch our virtual machines. Should see Ceph 5 here, or OSD 5, picking up in performance. All right, as we can see over here, our new OSD node has showed up in the Red Hat Storage Console as a new server. And if we click over here, we can see it. And sure enough, OSD 5. So the first thing we want to do is accept that as the host. And then once accepted, we'll add it to our cluster. So to add it to our cluster, we're going to come over to our Clusters tab, pick our cluster, Cluster 1, and over here with the 3 dots, I want to expand my cluster. So expanding, it says in the warning down here, it can cause significant client I/O performance impact if proper adjustments are not made. We have not made any proper adjustments in this video. Your mileage may vary. I'm not running anything in particular on here, so I understand the risk. I want to go ahead and add OSD5 as an OSD host, and I'm going to go ahead and expand my cluster. All right, so adding our OSD node has successfully completed. We can also see that it's been successfully completed here. Some of the things that it did, configured the OSDs and the mons, updated the crush map, syncing the status, so on. Now, if we come back over here, we see we have 8 hosts, 3 monitors, 5 OSDs, and we have just successfully added an OSD node to our Ceph cluster. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.